What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is a live from today, so Wednesday, which is the second of what? Second of April, 2025. Man, GPA has been kind of messy all through, but you know, it has been hard training GPA since the second week of since the second week of the third week of February. Price has not been consistent. You train today, tomorrow to be on the range one, trying to break structure, trying to stay. But and all these things, let's focus on what we have today. Today, you can see that the price is trend obviously bearish. Like the short-term structure is obviously bearish. But looking at the long-term structure, it is bullish. Okay, it's just ranging. Man, I miss this price action. Looking at the short-term, long-term structure, it's just ranging, not breaking lows. We're breaking these lows. Let me just use this thing. From the overall structure, which is the day 4 hour time frame, it's not breaking structural lows, it's not breaking structural highs, it's just halting, testing it and then pulling back. So from the 1 hour time frame, I see that it's obviously changing to bearish structure, breaking structures, retesting it, breaking and retesting it. So, but since yesterday it retested here and refused to continue to bearish. We have a nice break and a test here, but since price came back here, he didn't want to go back down again to take this low. It has been just halting around this area. I don't know, maybe today is NFP week. I don't know about anyone. But looking at the 15 minutes time frame, which is our execution time frame, what you have to be looking for on the 15 minutes time frame is something like this. Price breaking structural lows and then giving us an entry for us to move in. But it's not giving us that in price is just halting and ranging for the past part since price opened and non-session opened, which is 1 hour ago. So price has been here, not breaking low, not breaking high, just halting with candlesticks. And yeah, so what are we going to be looking for? We are going to be looking for a candle break to the structural highs or break to the structural lows. For now, we're not getting any of this. Price is just halting in one single area, doing nothing, which is very, very bad. Understand? So that is what we have here going on. And the reason why I've not been consistent with this stream is because GVOZ hasn't been trending. And those days that I don't want to come to the chart and look at the chart and stare at in a non-moving price action, I should have just stay away from the market because when you come and stare at the non-moving PE, it will just force you to do things and you don't want to do. So let's just leave this chat and then wait for breakout. We have NFP this week, so maybe that's why all of them are just halting and waiting for NFP. We have Metal News, we have Jolts yesterday, we had uh, we're having PMI tomorrow, and we're having NFP on Friday. Maybe this is the news that price are waiting for to break out. I don't know, or maybe the British, whatever. So, but going to our Discord channel, we have added some groups. So, I'm preparing this channel for the upcoming classes because once the class is done, I'm going to migrate you guys from Telegram to Discord. Then you have access to my daily calls, watching my daily chat, how I'm having a game plan. This one is price looking for various blah blah blah, waiting for. So once price develops, I'm going to be updating you guys on this my game plan on the Pablo calls. And yeah, when I'm doing end of the markup, I'll just show you guys end of the markup price on that presented during the day. So that's it. But looking at the overall trend of things, it's not looking good. Yeah, it's not looking good. So you guys have been asking me about the class. The class is coming on next week, and yeah, I think I made an announcement on my Telegram group. Yeah, that the class is coming on next week, 7th of April. So it's almost close. So I have bunch of things I want to discuss with you guys. They are huge. Like I wanted to create a template, what do you call it, presentation for this, but I don't think have the time to create that presentation. We have we have 11 topics to discuss, or let me just say 7 topics to discuss. Introduction to forex trading, that is what is forex, how it works, um, history and evolution of forex trading, why trade, why are you going to trade forex trading or over stocks or crypto. Then the day two, we're going to be talking about understanding um current currency pairs and market structure, like dynamics of market structure and everything. Then day three, trading session, market hours and everything. Then day four, forex brokers and trading platform that we use, whether MT4, MT5, or even C trader. Then day five, understanding forex pricing and other types like buy stop, sell limits, for what it speaks. Then six, leverage, margin, risk management, all this. Then seven is trading psychology. Checking now. That's just it. That is this is 7 days. I'm going to I want to create a presentation. I don't know if I should do it with you guys here since you're waiting for presentation and I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Just boring you guys here. I'm not going to walk you guys through so you can see the presentation that we have. Man, it's been long I did presentation, but let me just see. Uh, yeah, you do presentation with PowerPoint. So I'm going to. I don't know if I don't want to share my screen with you guys, but okay, let me just. So I don't want it to be fancy. I just want to create presentation I'm going to use to for this for this class that is coming up next week. But maybe I've been not busy. I won't say I've been busy, but I think I've been lazy about creating this presentation. So um I would do it here with you guys. Mm. So this is let me just as the head the title is going to be free basic first class or others academy slash trading academy others trading academy, and then the sub is going to be let me just write this free first class, free forex basic class. And I don't think I'm going to make this presentation open for everyone due to some reasons. I don't want to be, making the materials available for everyone, because if you make it available for everyone, nobody's going to attend the class again. They'll just sit down because human nature is lazy naturally. So we don't have to complicate it. Sorry, not complicate. You don't have to give them that chance to be lazy. You just have to allow them to come to class and then learn it themselves. So by Emmanuel, Emmanuel is the. Okay, let me share my screen. 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 Presentation. Yeah, by Emmanuel. I have a look. Okay, by Emmanuel. So I will just drag it. I'll just drag it here. think I can lock this so it can be moving again. By Emmanuel. So these topics, I didn't create them myself. I know what I wanted, so I just told ChatGPT to just create everything for me, and he did, and it did. So credit to ChatGPT. So number one is day one. Let's write it day one. Introduction to forex trading, which is the main thing we are going to do is introduction to forex trading, which is day one. Day one, introduction to forex trading. Then we have subtopics that I'm going to be discussing. These are the subtopics. Subtopics here. I think this is the first and last time I'm going. Okay, this is the last time I'm going to be doing a basic class. Teaching basics is very hard for you to it's very hard, and you can't um keep doing it every time. It's exhausting. Like teaching forex is exhausting. That's more reason why I stopped mentorship 2021. That's why I stopped doing mentorship 2021. It's exhausting and it's time demanding also. That's why I see people that start mentorship today. You don't know the kind of effort that is needed. It's not easy, my brother. So day two is understanding currency pairs and market structure. It's not market structure in chart analysis, but market structure in based on both currency, how prices are determined, blah 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 blah. So that is just it. So let's see substructures here. That you can have base. I think I had a basic class before around 2020 2021. I had a basic class before. I'm the one that wrote everything down by myself. Look at how AI has made everything easier for us. Just copy and paste. That's all we need. Then day three is forex trading session and market hours. Day three is forex trading and market hours. Then subtopics, we have subtopics, overflow, subtopics, this, then day four, we having day four we're having a forex brokers and trading platform. What is brokers? How you can download them? Trading platform that you should use, MT4, MT5, or C Trader, or Match Trader, or even if it's Match Trader, what is it like? How is it used? And yeah, then I think we're having day six now. Yeah, day five. Day five is understanding forex pricing. What are the types of orders? Buy limit, sell limit, and end type of limit order. You guys don't know that there is a difference between instant execution and market execution. Instant execution is placing order immediately, and market execution is the price that they are going to use to execute your order. And sorry, then there's six. It's easy to get caught up in what is happening in the industry today. This one posting Lamborghini today. The other one saying that his strategy is the best, and the other one saying that what you guys are doing is not the best. But you are here, you don't even know the basics. You don't even know what pips is. And when you get caught up on in all these things, just keep up because you can't calculate your risk. You don't know what pips is. You don't even know how many people that price has gone in the market. You don't know whether it's better time for you to execute or it's too late for you to execute. All these are what you need to learn. It's a basic trader. So then last day is psychology. This psychology is just going to be me talking and also psychology in trading it doesn't come in just one day. You just do the psychology and then you have learned psychology. So price psychology takes years. You battle with many types of psychology, and when you are done, so these are the seven important topics that we are going to be looking at. Seven important topics that we are going to be looking at, and then I don't know why my this thing is transmitting low. These are seven important topics that we're going to be talking about, and I'm still thinking about how I'm going to stream this. Whether I should use Google Meet or I should use Zoom. I should use Telegram. Telegram transmits beautifully, but Telegram looks like kind of unprofessional. If you're doing professional stuff, you need something huge, something like if you need something that you're going to and you're going to upload in your for future use. I don't think the Telegram is the best option for online class. So I don't know the platform I'm going to use to stream this, but I'll still check out. So I think this is the what we're going to be doing for a series of 6 7 days. So even if you are already advanced, coming and checking on how we do this. So I'm not going to make this public. The template I'm not going to be sending it to the Telegram group, but I would I would have it all to myself. So next week I won't be having any stream next week, and yeah, I won't be having any stream next week because of the academy because of the class. So I'll still keep you guys updated. So I've been streaming for like 19 to 20 minutes now, and the worst thing is that price action is just standing in one place today. I don't want to be a victim of you know a stable market. I don't want to be a victim of entering into wrong trend. I just want to wait and see what price action does. So let me just switch it back to trading view. Let's just see what we've got. Switching it back to trading view, GBSD. So back to the chart. Ah, 7. Save to SPC, desktop. Let me save it to desktop. So I'll save it. Then going back to trading area. Yeah, we're having a breakout. I don't know first, but until price closes below here, then we can, you know, execute. But if price didn't close below here, we won't be hopping into this trade. We have only 1 minute left for price to close, or for price to tell us what we're going to be doing. And I know that this is a very beautiful trend on the 5 minute time frame, but we're not using 5 minute time frame today. We're using 15 minutes time frame. So this is what we got. Break, break. I won't get the first one as a break because it's a week break. This one is a candle break. So in the next 1 minute we decide our fate, and then we'll know how we're going to be moving into this trend. I like to see price pulling back at this level. If it's going to close with candlestick, let's see price pulling back at this level. Then a short entry. 10 piece stop loss is not bad. I think this is 15. And then let's see how it goes. 1 to 2. This is a nice push. So I guess only if you can get a pullback, I'll be happy about that. Dang! This is insane. This is insane. Price has closed. Then let's go for a pullback. Nah. So I'll be back with you guys in few minutes, and then let's see what we've got. Jeez, this is crazy. This is crazy. I love this. Only if you can get a pullback, then we'll move in. But if you cannot get a pullback, then I'll update you guys in my Telegram channel if there's a pullback. But for now, I think that I just left us and then started pushing down aggressively. This is called aggressive push. But I kind of like it. First time I've seen momentum this huge. So I'll update you guys on the Telegram channel, and yeah, see you guys next time.